Hi friends, today we will learn about S3 bucket. S3 means simple storage service. After logging to the AWS account, type S3 here. Click on S3. Imagine S3. Imagine S3 is used to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web at any time. Okay, it is simply used to store objects in the S3 bucket, and we can retrieve the object from anywhere on the web at any time. Okay, let's create bucket first. Create the bucket, and the bucket name you need to give here, my bucket, and the name should be unique, and I'm giving some numbers. My bucket. Okay, and next one is like you have to ACL enable. Okay, next click on create bucket. So successfully created bucket. Okay, right now I have created the bucket successfully. My bucket name is my bucket 986635. Okay, once the bucket is created, so the bucket is created in the AWS which region? US East North Virginia. Okay, so once the bucket is created, we need to upload the objects. So right now we will learn how to upload the objects into the bucket. Click on this one, my bucket. Upload, add files. I want to upload this Maven file. Click on open. So maven.pdf I have uploaded. Just click on upload here. Now the object is uploaded successfully. Okay, maven.pdf is the object uploaded successfully in the bucket. Which bucket? My bucket 986635. Okay, so once the object is uploaded into the bucket, I will click on the maven.pdf. So I click on the object. In the object you have the object URL. So copy this URL, object URL, and go to browser and try to access the object. So I am getting error like access denied. Here I am able to upload the object, but I am not able to access the object. Bucket once again. Click on the my bucket. Go to permissions. Here if you see in the permissions, you can see block public access. Right now it is showing us on block all public access. So I want to click on edit and untick this one. Block all public access is there now. You need to untick this one and save changes, and you have to confirm. Click on confirm. Now the bucket is we can access from anywhere. The bucket is right now public because we have unticked the public access, right? Next go to the object in the bucket. Go to object. So in the bucket we have maven.pdf and object is there. So click on this and click on the maven.pdf and the object actions. You need to click make public using ACL. Click on make public. Successfully edited public access. Now I have enabled the public access. Now you go to this browser. Now you give the refresh once again. Earlier you were not able to access, right now you are able to access. So I have provided the public access to the object. So you are able to access the object in the S3 bucket. So in this session what we learned, we have created the bucket, we have uploaded the object into the bucket, and we provided the public access to the object and bucket. After practicing, you need to delete the object in the S3 bucket, and also you need to delete the bucket also. So let me go back. So just right now, first you need to delete the object. Check and click on delete. To confirm deletion, type permanently delete. Just copy this permanently delete, paste here, and delete object. We need to delete the object first, then we need to delete the bucket. So go back. So this is my bucket. Click here and delete. Right now I am deleting the bucket. So how to delete the bucket? You need to give the bucket name. Copy this bucket name, paste here, delete bucket. Successfully deleted bucket. So in this session what we learned, we have created the bucket and uploaded the object into the bucket and provided the public access to the URL. So after practicing, we have deleted the object from the bucket, deleted the bucket also. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.